Yes, I'm Supani. My revenue generated project is to improve digital marketing by implementing AR technology. First of all, what's AR? AR is like augmented reality. It's simply like bring your real world into your mobile. It's like it's gonna show you your real size products, real size food and drink. We are by just scanning the QR code. Just for example, in the counter, if you just scan your QR code, you're gonna see like the full menu with like the real size product. The goals of the project is to make online advertisement on social media or restaurant application more attractive. So it can help you to like gain a new customer, which is a result of like having more higher revenue. And to allow customer to see food and drink in real size as their preference on menu. So this one can help you to like increase your upselling and cross-selling like process. Third, to allow customer to get food ingredients and food nutrition, just only scan it. So your staff don't have to be like go back and forth into the kitchen to get the information. And the last one is to allow restaurant to place coupons or like promotion to increase retention rate. Basically, this one to keep your existing customer coming back to your restaurant. And for the workflow in this project, the first one is to select the AR developer. Second, launching the test for software, like internally launching whether it works or not before launching it to the public. And then the third is fix the problem. Once we soft launch, if there's any problem occur, we just like fix it and then make it happen by launching it to public. And then monitoring them and then get feedback, listen to feedback and then improve it accordingly. About the project challenge and solutions, the first one, equipment or technical failure. So if we talk about technology, of course, it has to be like connected to the Wi-Fi. Sometimes if your Wi-Fi connection is not stable, it may be a problem. The second, financial resources. By launching new technology, it requires like high investment. So as a new starter, you may have to confess with that problem. For the solution, you just cut off some unnecessary budget and invest in this technology. And the third, for staffing and skill profiles. For this one, not everyone familiar with the technology, so training must be provided before launching the new technology. So the fourth, the staff performance. Since AR helps persuading customer already, so the staff may not be approaching to those customers that much. They may be like idle during work time. So we must like persuade them by giving them incentives, something like that. And the fifth is product development and marketing. Of course, in the restaurant, you can't sell the same menu forever. So in the future, you have to like adapt your menu to like match your target customer or the trend. So this one you have to invest again in order to improve the technology to be like a real time. And for project monitoring report, we expect like increasing in sales, like 3 month sales report is gonna be like, we're gonna start launching it in September. Our current revenue is like 70,000. So we're increasing, it's gonna be like increasing 6.67% on October, and then 14% on November, and then 21% on December. And that's pretty much about my project. Any feedback, guys?
I think it's a really good idea because people sometimes when they are looking for the menu, they don't know what exactly they are gonna get. So that is gonna help our customers to have an idea how it's gonna be their lunch, how big or how small it's gonna be. And I think it's a really attractive idea, and we are gonna get more customers in this way. So I really like it.
Agree with Lisa. Is really good experience. Like everyone is looking for experience in restaurants. For me, it's a beautiful idea.
Yes, this project actually, yeah, nowadays everyone doing this in the restaurant. So it's, yeah, we going on the trend. It's a good idea. But yeah, personally, I don't really like it. It's because it's everyone's on the phone all the time. No communication in the restaurant, but to increase the revenue, we have to do it too. So it's good ideas. Thank you.
Yeah, for me also it's a good idea, and the customer can feel some fun during order or watch the menu. Yeah, it sounds like good. Yeah.
Yes, the AR is the quite high quality technology in the restaurant. So if in the inside of the content like a picture and then some of the ingredients is good, should be the customers like it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so my name is Luisa Gomez, and I'm gonna show you my idea, and I'm gonna share my screen with you, and okay, so my name is Luisa Gomez, and I'm gonna share my idea with you. So this is the idea is increase the revenue. So our goal is gonna get more people during the week, not just weekend. So we are gonna focus on during the week, get more people, and offer a new place to have meetings and offer catering, have more visibility around our area, increase revenue and customer loyalty, and to get more mouth by mouth. So our strategy is gonna get for our customers to have a room where they can have a meetings. So that's why, so having in mind that our restaurant is around all offices, we are not expecting as many people on during the week. So the idea is to give them a space or a room where they can have their meetings or having a breakfast with all the partners. And so in that case, we are gonna have with them some breakfast or having a coffee, and we are gonna give them like a free Wi-Fi, screen, a projector where they can have a meetings. So step by step, how we are gonna do it. So first of all, we need a post where we are gonna share all the information about what is gonna be the offer, what they are gonna get, and how it's gonna be the place. So on the right side, you're gonna see the post, how it's gonna look like, and on the left hand, you're gonna find the pictures or how it's gonna look like for them. So they can have a coffee, they can have some finger beads, they can have like croissant, ham and cheese. It depends what they are looking for. So we are gonna welcome them to have their meetings or some more than meetings, like if they are looking for a place where to share time with their best employers, they are gonna have them with us. The second one, so we are going to reach them. We'll be study all the offices around. So we are gonna have a look what is the offices that we have or what business we have around, and we are gonna reach them by the Instagram or their social media, and I'm gonna share with them our post with all the information. And the third step, so at the same time, we are gonna have in our door the post that we are sharing, also all the tables. It's gonna have a small label to have this information with the QR code, so they can have a look at the QR code, and the QR code is gonna address them to all the information and the website page where they can have a book. And the fourth step, as a final step, so we are gonna welcome them in the best way. We're gonna offer them the best meeting room, so they are gonna have a really good time with us, and they are gonna say to their family or their friends or their co-workers. So many people is gonna come for our restaurant. The results and what we are looking for is to get more customers during the week, due to we are tasting them our delicious coffee. So we are gonna serve them our delicious coffee with the pies, with the sandwich and everything. So in that way, we are looking that more people to come during the week, not just weekends. We are gonna get more customers who wants to get the same experience. So we are looking to get more groups to come into us, to our room. And so that is gonna help us a lot, because it's gonna be huge people who is gonna come not just for the meetings, at the same time it's gonna come for breakfast or lunch or even the weekends. And the last one, so later on, we are looking to expand this idea in not just having meetings. We can leave them like having birthdays or another weddings and so on. So this is my idea.
In my opinion, it's a really good idea, because if you increase your sales during the week with your meetings, and you will sell breakfast, coffees, catering, you are offering like a lot of things, you will increase your sales.
Yes, I really like these ideas. It's because you're doing the marketing in the digital, but also you see the customer face to face, the staff atmosphere, you make up vibes. Actually, you offer the tasting, the coffee. I really like it. Yes, it's important. I think it's important. More important is to the marketing is before you have a meetings. Yes.
Yeah. In my opinion, after COVID, a lot of restaurants use the QR code as the menu or the marketing, and it could be increase the business. Yeah, so it's so nice.
Yeah, I'm also agree with the idea. I mean, only one thing, if that have a like a reservation system or something, advertising be more long time should be more better. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea, not only like for the project itself, but since you do it as a group, that means like it's higher number of like it's higher the number of the people. So once so many people come to your restaurant, of course you're gonna get like higher revenue. It's good to do like group marketing, because of that reason. The more they come, the more they order, the more revenue you get. I think it's a good idea.
I hope you enjoy our presentation and you learned something. Thank you so much.
Thank you.